With the Envoy Visual Compliance integration, Envoy will alert your team if visitors match restricted parties and visual compliance. When a visitor is invited or signs in with Envoy, Visual Compliance will automatically check if their information appears on any lists of restricted parties you've selected in Visual Compliance. Visitors are not informed that they're being screened or that they've matched a restricted party in Visual Compliance. The screening takes place in the background during the sign-in process. If a visitor triggers a match when attempting entry at the kiosk, they'll receive a screen letting them know someone is reviewing their responses. When a visitor returns a match in Visual Compliance, Envoy notifies the administrators assigned to receive alerts. These alerts can be sent via email, SMS, or Slack. In the visitor log, the entry will be shown at the top with an approval required notice. The entry will have more details on the attempted entry. You can view the match results within the Envoy dashboard. If you need more details, you can open Visual Compliance to review. Admins have the option to determine which flows to screen visitors with. Under Sign-in Flow, Security, Visual Compliance, you can enable the screening and determine the information checked. For the most exact matches, it's best to include full name, address, and company. If this information is not collected in the sign-in flow, these fields will be added.